meron tayo ditong module. Ay, ano naman ang gagawin mo dyan? Ito, pagaganahin natin ito. Ano ba yan? Ito yung tinatawag na OLED display. 1.3 inches. 124 by ang pixel niya. Paano gagana yan? Kailangan natin ng fabricates Arduino Uno. Mag-upload tayo ng code para dito sa ating 1.3 inches. Ito na ang ating project. Tapos na tayo mag-upload. Nakakonekta na yung OLED sa Arduino. Testingin yan. Ayun. Hello world. Hello world. Diba? Paano magawa yan? Now the schematic diagram, OLED 1.3 inches with Arduino Uno. So this is the OLED display, the Arduino Uno, and then the computer. So for the computer, this is used for coding. So the computer programs coding, uploading the code to the Arduino Uno. I'm using a version of Arduino IDE 2.1.1. That is the version of the Arduino IDE, version of Arduino used in the code. And then we also install a driver called the U8G2. U8G2 for the display, OLED display. That is the driver, display driver for the OLED. And it can be found inside the library of Arduino IDE. And then we also have inside the code, we have the constructor list. What is the constructor list? Constructor list that is used, we uncomment the constructor list inside the code because this instructor list is used whenever we are using or what kind of OLED display we are going to use. In our case, we are using 1.3 inches with a pixel of 128 by 64 p pixel. So we chose a certain constructor list by uncommenting the constructor list inside the code. And then what kind of protocol we use in our circuit? How did the Arduino Uno and then the OLED display communicate with each other? And that kind of communication protocol is I2C, inter-integrated circuit, that is used for this project, wherein the 5 volts from the Arduino Uno, since the power is we have the power from the PC, the Arduino, and then from the Arduino 5 volts. This the VCC of the OLED is connected. A4 of the Arduino, SDA, serial data, A5 of Arduino to serial clock, ground to ground. So we have a clock here. That is the I2C, inter-integrated circuit, wherein we are using 4 pins of the OLED, same with the Arduino. And also the power provided by the PC by a USB port. And then we have since we have the clock, so there is a certain address for this module OLED, and it is PIX. We can see that the address of this module. Here is the module. We can see here the ground, VCC, SCL, SDA. And at the back, we have this address select. Since this is PIX, we don't need to set this address. It's already PIX. Then also we have the SMD components and some sort of converter. So this is the OLED display, 1.3 inches. And with the use of the code, we also uploaded the code for the project, and that is the hello world. Okay, after uploading the code, we have this hello world printed into our OLED display. OLED display is an organic light emitting diode. That is the meaning of the OLED display. And we use the code hello world from the library of Arduino Uno, Arduino IDE. po.